Here's something every musician who's used an AI music tool already knows. The lyrics usually feel a little generic, a little soulless. And half your time isn't even spent making music. It's spent fighting with prompt tags, trying to find the magic combination of words that gets the AI to do what's in your head. But Meloty AI just pushed an update that basically deletes both of those problems. Instead of typing prompts at a random AI model, you can now pick a specialist, an agent that already knows your vibe inside and out, and you collaborate with it like a co-producer. Today, I'm going to actually use it, try out the built-in specialists, then I'll build my own custom agent from scratch. Let's get into it. So, this is the new dashboard. The thing to understand up front is the whole model has changed. Before, you were basically chatting with one general AI and hoping your prompt was good enough. Now you're choosing who you work with. Right next to the prompt box, you've got the agent selector. Open it up and you get a roster of specialists, each one built for a specific style, each one running on a top-tier language model under the hood. There's the rap artist, the score maestro, the omni producer, and a bunch more. And if you don't want to choose, there's auto mode. You just describe your idea, and Meloty matches it to the right agent and the right model automatically. But I want to show you what these specialists actually do, so I'm going to pick them manually. Let's start with the rap artist. The pitch is hardcore rap, tight flow, street-level storytelling. So let's test it honestly. Grok model is selected by default for edgy out-of-box thinking. I'll give it a simple seed idea. Nothing fancy, just late shift, empty city, trying to make it out. That's it. That's the whole prompt. Watch what it does. It doesn't just spit out lyrics. It merges the lyrics and the style into one unified concept. And it gives me a few versions at once to choose from. And the writing actually has some teeth to it. This is the difference when an agent is running on a flagship language model instead of a generic one. The wordplay lands, the imagery is specific, it's not the usual filler. I'll pick the version I like best. And here's the part that matters. Click on the AI co-producer button below, and on the left there's an independent chat area where I can just talk to the agent. I'll tell it, keep the flow, but make the second verse darker and lean into the night imagery. And it updates the concept in real time, both the lyrics and the style prompt, without me touching a single tag. That's the co-producer thing in action. Okay, let's go ahead and hit create. Let's hear it.
Yeah. Empty streets call my name after the clock strikes late. Shift ends, but the grind don't wait. Clock out at midnight, the city breathes slow. Fluorescent lights flicker where the desperate go. Empty avenues echo my footsteps on concrete. Trying to claw my way out from the belly of the beast. Build stack higher than the towers that block the sky. Every late shift another piece of my soul that dies. Chasing that exit, but the alleys pull me back. Shadows whisper secrets about the ones who never crack. Late shift survivor in this hollowed out town. Trying to make it happen for the whole thing grounds. Empty city lights fade as I push through the night.
And that right there is what I mean by a specialist. The rap artist isn't a general AI pretending to rap. The flow, the cadence, the street-level imagery, that's an agent built for this one job, doing it well. Now let's go in a completely different lane. Let's switch to the score maestro. This one's built for cinematic and game scoring. Totally different skill set from the rapper, and that's the point. You're not reprompting one model to pretend it's a composer, you're handing the job to a specialist that's actually built for it. Claude Opus 4.6 is selected as default for this one. I'll describe a scene instead of a song. A slow reveal, camera rising over a ruined city at dawn, hope creeping back in. Notice I'm not giving it BPM, key, instruments, any of that. I'm simply describing a feeling. And look, it comes back with an orchestral concept that actually fits the brief. Builds, swells, the emotional arc matches the scene. For anyone scoring video, games, or even just YouTube content, this is the agent you'd live in. Let's pick concept B here and hit create. Let's hear a bit.
Silence over stone and ash. The world unmade beneath the sky. No voice remains to speak of what was lost. Through the dust of fallen towers, a single light begins to climb, where the same.
Two specialists. Two completely different jobs, zero prompt engineering on my end. That's the preset side. Okay, but here's where it gets fun. What if none of the presets are exactly your thing? You build your own. I'm going to make a reggae agent. Proper roots reggae, because it's a style with a really specific feel, and I want to see if the AI actually gets it. Down in the agent menu, I hit Create Agent. Now I'm in the builder, and all I have to do is describe the specialist I want. I'll type Roots Reggae Producer, warm, spiritual, laid back, one-drop drums, offbeat guitar skank, deep bass, conscious lyrics in the tradition of 70s Jamaica. Hit Confirm. And Meloty starts working. And here we are. Our custom agent is now established. Let's click this edit button. Look at that. Based on that one description, Meloty has automatically filled in a full technical blueprint. It's set a BPM range right in the classic reggae pocket. It's picked the right feel and instruments, the offbeat skank, the bass-forward mix, and it's even given the agent its own reply style. I described a vibe in one sentence. It built the professional logic behind it, and if I want to tweak anything in there, I can. It's all editable. Let's confirm it. Now let's actually use him. Seed idea. Morning by the water, gratitude, taking it slow. And there it is. The lyrics have that conscious, unhurried feel. The style's locked to the reggae pocket I described. Built a specialist from one sentence, and now I'm making tracks with it.
Morning light up on the bed, golden mercy starts the day. I breathe in deep and let it flow. Give thanks, take it slow. Bare feet resting on the sand, cool tide touching my hand. Sunrise.
Here's the feature I didn't expect to care about as much as I did. See this brain icon under the input area? That's smart preference memory. When it's on, Meloty quietly learns your taste over time, and it learns it two ways: from the feedback you give in chat, and from the tracks you super like. So as I work, telling the reggae agent I want lyrics more humorously, super liking the takes that hit, it's logging all of that. The longer you use it, the more it understands what you specifically like, not what reggae generally sounds like. And you can actually see what it's learned. There's a memory panel that lays out your preferences in plain language, what you tend to like, what you skip, and just like the agent, you can edit those records yourself. So it's never a black box. You stay in control of your own taste profile. Quick honest note, this learns from your chats and your super likes, your interactions inside Meloty. It's not analyzing uploaded audio files. It's reading how you work and what you approve of. Okay, now a couple of things to round it out fast. If you're the type who wants full manual control, there's custom mode. You write your own lyrics, set your own style, but the agent's still there. Hit the AI co-producer button and it'll read what you've done and give you real suggestions. It's like having a producer looking over your shoulder even when you're driving. You'll also see entry points for audio reference, voice cloning, and remix in the panel, so you can reference a track, clone a vocal timbre, or remix something. Worth knowing they're there. And the part that matters if you're serious. Meloty gives you up to 12-track stem separation and MIDI downloads, so you take your drums, bass, and melody straight into Ableton or FL Studio for the real mix. Plus a commercial copyright certificate. Paid users own 100% of what they make and can monetize it safely. So that's the update. The big shift is simple. You're not prompting a model anymore. You're collaborating with a specialist that actually knows the craft, and over time, learns you. Pick a preset, build your own, and let it grow with your taste. Links in the description. Register through it and you'll get an exclusive discount on your first payment. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe for more AI music tool breakdowns. Go make something! Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.